Hey everybody, welcome to the Blubber.com. Get your pen, pencils, and anything else you have. Let's start drawing this caterpillar. So, first start with a circle. And then, if you don't want to see that, then add a smaller curved circle. Then add another curved circle. Last curved circle. And then I have to curve this way. And then a bit of it has to go this way. You want to do that. And then do one last circle. And then add the tiniest. Done. And then add some antennas. Then add the eyes. You're just gonna do it the elastic way if you want. Oh yes. And then we're done. Get your pen and let's start coloring. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe and see you soon.